Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cutting the soap I made yesterday. Um, this soap is carrot, turmeric, and aloe vera soap. If you have pimples, acne, this soap is good for you because it is added tea tree. We added tea tree to it yesterday. There's tea tree on it, tea tree essential oil. This soap will help you brighten and lighten out your dark spots. This soap is not bleaching soap. It is just a brightening soap that will make you fade away dark spots like that comes from pimples, hyperpigmentations, and more. Carrots helps brighten your skin. Same with turmeric. Turmeric is the almighty herb that helps fade away blemishes and dark spots. Why these carrots too the same, but mainly they both brighten your skin. They brighten the skin. It's a very good ingredient for your skin and your well-being. Even if you eat carrot, if you drink carrot juice often and on, your skin will glow, definitely glow. So they are both good for your skin, carrot and turmeric. Aloe vera hydrates your skin. It helps hydrate your skin, moisturizes your skin. It's even good for dark spots like dark circles in the eye area. If you want to purchase our soaps online, I'll write the link below. Click on the link below and purchase yours. For now, we sell in the UK. If you want to buy from me and you're living in the EU, I would suggest you use the WhatsApp link. I'm going to post it for you, but then you know that I want to tell you that if you are responsible for your custom duty, because if you buy one soap, you will not be charged by the custom. But if you buy more than one, depending on the weight of the, I don't think you'll be charged. Depending on, unless you buy something that is more, then if it is within the UK, the EU, for instance, you will not be charged. But if you're outside the EU, like you are in America, South America, Japan, China, all those countries, they will charge you. This soap is so good, very good. It's good for so many skin type. For this skin discoloration, tea tree is antibacterial, antimicrobial, it's antiviral. It's very good for the skin, for your hair as well. But this is not for the hair, this is for your skin. If you want to use it for your body and for your face, what I advise you is to just cut them into two. Use one part for your body, use one for your part for your face. The reason why I'm saying you should cut it and use it for your face, our face are very hypersensitive most times, more than your skin. If you use your face soap to wash your body, sometimes you might not achieve the result because your skin might be harboring a lot of bacteria, and your face is just very delicate, and you can just be crying and say, this soap is not working. It's a lie, it's working. You have to use separate soap for your face and your body. Same with your cream. It's just as good as that. You can't dispute that. If you want to wash your face, just make sure you pour water on your face every morning. Pour water on your face every morning. Then dry it. You can dry it. After drying it, just with a towel. If you have like olive oil, apply olive oil on your face. Like if you have blemishes on your face, like have pimple and acne, you just want them to go quickly. What you do, just wash it off. Wash your face. Just splash water on your face. Apply that oil on your face. It will help you hydrate your skin. Then when you are ready to take your bath, then you just apply this soap on it. Rub your soap around your face with water. Then apply it on your face. Then after taking your bath, depending on what, because I wash my face last. I wash my face last after washing, taking my bath. I apply the soap on my face. Then after taking my bath generally, then my face is the last one. I wash my face. Then use my toner. We have toners as well. Other toner is very good for your skin. Very, very good for your skin. If you have dark spots, that toner will help you. But then you have to be patient. Not one day you is okay. If you have pimples on your face, that toner is a good one for you to go. We have turmeric and turmeric face masks as well. We have so many things in stock in our store. So if you want to purchase from us, please do not hesitate. If you want to ask me questions, I'm here to answer your questions. Follow us on Facebook. Please follow us on Twitter. Follow us on Pinterest. Now I want to be active on Pinterest. I don't like Facebook. I don't know why. Facebook is... I'll just say Facebook is face trouble. People gossip on Facebook, but I don't like Facebook. I don't know why. I'm still on Facebook. Follow me on Facebook anyways. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Pinterest. Very, very good site, Pinterest. Follow me on Instagram as well. Follow me on in WhatsApp too. From next year, I'll be active on my WhatsApp page. It smells like tea tree. It doesn't smell so sweet, but I like the smell. It has a little bit strong smell because of the I like the smell anyway. Very, very nice. This soap, very nice. When I sell them, people rush them. Before you know it, I don't even have more left. So that's why I made a very big batch. I haven't sold them much online. That's why I made a very big batch. Very good. Very good. I have another one. Have you used our feminine soap? That feminine soap is so good for you. Very good. It's to wash your vulva area. Now people would say, do not wash your vagina. Many of our ladies do not know the difference between vagina and the vulva area. The vagina is with the inside. When you take the place where the menstruation is coming out from, the place where you give birth from. But the V area that all those things comes out from, you need to use soap to wash it. Some people say do not use. They misunderstand it. You have to wash your vulva area. The inside, you do not wash it because the inside hole, you don't wash it because it washes itself. And when it washes itself, the dirt comes out and stick to the V area. And that's where you start to stink. If you wake up in the morning, like you don't take your bath in the morning, you will find that the next day you will stink. It's a natural thing. So that's V area, you need to wash them and wash them clean. And while you're washing them, you have to use a mild soap. A mild soap that is unscented. A mild soap that is unscented. Not just unscented, a natural soap. a natural soap. If you can't find a soap, mouth soap where you are, if you live in the UK, I have the best feminine soap. Yes, I have the best feminine soap. People who have used my soap have testified that my feminine soap, it's so good for your V area. So it is necessary to use feminine soap to wash your vulva, your V area. You know, you wash your V area and make it clean every day. If possible, wash it twice a day. Make it clean. It's very, very necessary. You don't want to have a stinky pint. You don't want to be with your partner and still stink. It's so bad. How would you say? Some people will say, don't wash it. If you wash it, it's not good. Inside, they say don't wash inside. They do not say you should not wash your vulva area. Because that vulva area, people don't wash it. They don't wash it. And they say don't wash it, don't wash it. And they misunderstood the whole thing. You have to wash your vulva area, please. Wash it. I keep on preaching it and shouting. You have to wash it. My sister told me she stopped washing, and I was wondering, how will she be smelling? In fact, how will she be smelling in front of her husband? Honestly, it's not good. You have to wash your V area. They say don't put, so because some people douche, they put their hands inside and clean and try to clean it. That I am against. But when it's inside the valve, the V area where they have the clitoris, you wash everywhere. You wash it everywhere. Wash it and clean it. Splash water in it. Splash water in it. Wash it and splash water in it and clean it very clean. Very, very important. Very, very important. And then I have hibiscus and carrots and shampoo. Very good for your hair. Very good for your hair. If you like African black soap and you would want it in a shampoo, I have them. I have African black soap with turmeric and honey. All my so guys, I'm done with cutting up my soaps. Please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share my video. Please buy from me our food and skin. If you Google it, you see it. If you click on the link below, you will see my link. Please buy from us. Please try our product and see how good it is. It is 100% natural, made from plants, things, edible foods and powders. Most of them are from organic source. They are 100% natural. They are 100% natural. You don't want to miss it. You don't want to say you don't want to buy it. Please come and buy from us. Come and buy from us. Come and buy from us. And thank you for those who have been buying from me, purchasing from me. I say thank you very much. God bless you. And until I come your way next time, see you soon. Bye.